Misguided heroes, enhanced techno pirate.
This way, kids. Let the adults handle this.
Your power be mine!
What?
Nobody escapes my sight!
Marinette's in danger! Flag, claws out!
Vacation is over. Kiki Sponson!
Ladybug?
Cat Noir?
What are you doing
here?
It's a long story. Where's Marinette?
I got her to safety, but why aren't you back in Paris?
Here.
I'll explain later.
Natalie, you can get rid of the Sentimonster. We will no longer be needing it.
Let's see if I can absorb ye whole!
You've come all the way from Paris to help us out?
Yeah, we thought it'd be a friendly gesture to give you guys a hand in honor of French-American Friendship Week.
See that? They don't need anyone's permission to take action.
That's right. He never asks for anything. See you, Cat Noir! Sparrow, did you warn Night Owl and Majestia?
I couldn't, but you know what? We don't need anyone's permission either.
Are you sure you want to step out of the procedure?
This is our chance to prove to them that we're just like these two. Autonomous, bonded together by trust, and super efficient.
Just go and rest easy. Yeah, leave Paris with me.
I didn't know I was going to leave. It was a last-minute decision, that's all.
Do you realize that because of you, there's no one left in Paris to protect the city? He's running away!
You sound like Captain Obvious.
Why didn't you tell me that you were leaving?
I was afraid you'd get angry.
And you were right, because as you can see, I am angry. Autonomous, bonded by trust, and super efficient?
Yeah, I might have overestimated them. Surrender, Techno Pirate! There's nowhere to run now! Cataclysm!
Lucky Charm!
A bicycle pump? What are you gonna do with that?
I may have an idea, but you wouldn't like it.
Why run away when I can finally get me revenge by eliminating the beloved kids of America's most beloved heroes?
Lady, I didn't tell you because I was afraid of losing your trust.
Well, I can't trust you anymore, can I?
That's it for now, TECHLONIZER.
What happened?
Get in. Leave the saber behind.
What have you done?
It's my fault.
Why didn't you call us? And you, what are you doing here?
I might be able to help.
Oh, really? With your magic bicycle pump?
Precisely. Miraculous Ladybug! Rebooting.
Oh, thank you, Ladybug.
You two are dangerous.
No, they tried
So are
to...
you. You disobeyed me. You were supposed to call us and you didn't. I'm ordering you to revert to your civilian identities and hand me the source of your powers. You will have it back when you leave town.
We can't do that. It's true we made a mistake, but I fixed everything.
If your power is fixing Cat Noir's mistakes, we don't need you.
It's better like this. What would have happened if you hadn't been able to fix Uncanny? Or if she hadn't been an android?
We can't give them our Miraculous.
Stop right there! That's an order!